Hello, welcome back. My name is Angela. Today is day 6 of our challenge. Today we're going to learn some places and then how to ask where something is. So enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video so others can benefit from it. Hello, what's your name? What's your name? My name is Angela. Welcome. How are you? How are you? Today I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Our verb to be. I won't review it. We're going to use this today. Let's learn some new words. Our first word is work. 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 Excellent. Work. Work. Very good. Work. Excellent. Very good. Our next word, school. 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 Excellent. School. Very good. Work. Work. School. School. Excellent. Next, park. 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 Excellent. Park. Very good. Park. Excellent. Work. School. Park. Park. Excellent. Very good. Library. 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 It's like 3 sounds. Library. 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 Excellent. Library. 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 Very good. One more word. Museum. 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 Excellent. Museum. Very good. So we have work, work, school, school, park, park, library, library, and museum. Museum. Excellent. Very good. Do you remember? Let's see. What's this one? Museum. Very good. School. Excellent. School. School. Very good. How about this one? School? Work? No. Museum. 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 Excellent. Very good. This one. Pa, 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 pa. You got it. Park. 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 Very good. Excellent. This one. School? No. Very good. Library. 3 sounds. Library. 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 Very good. Library. Library. Excellent. Very good. Last one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Work. Excellent. Work. 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 Very good. Excellent job. So there they are. Work, school, park, library, museum. Work, school, park, library, museum. Very good. And today we're going to practice where. Where. Where with the verb to be. We're using that verb to be a lot. We're going to become masters. So we're going to ask, where are you? Where are you? I don't know. Where are you? In the picture, where are you? So we say, I am. Very good. I am at. Where's that? School. Excellent. I am at school. Let's practice our question. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where? Excellent. Where? You? Excellent. Where? Very good. Excellent. I am at school. I am at school. I am at school. Excellent. School. Very good. Excellent. How about this one? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? We can change the tone. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Excellent. Very good. Where are you? In our picture. I am at the museum. Yeah, I'm at a specific museum. I am at the 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 museum. Museum. Very good. Excellent. Our next one. Where are you? Where are you? Where you? Where? Excellent. Where? Very good. Where are you? I am at, where am I? The park. Very good. So I am at the park. 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 Excellent. Very good. Our next one. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where am I? I am at work. Excellent. I am at work. 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 Excellent. I am at work. I am at work. Excellent. Very good. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Make it sound more natural. Where are you? Where are you? Very good. I am at work. I am at work. I am at work. Very good. Practice. Where are you? I am at work. Where are you? We have another one. Where are you? Where are you? I am, where am I? I am at the library. Excellent. I am at the library. I am at the library. I am at the library. Good job. Where are you? Where are you? I am at the library. I am at the library. Good job. Very good. Now, is it where are you? No. Where is she? 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 Yeah, so we say she. What's our verb? Is at school. Very good. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? She is at school. She is at school. She. School. Excellent. She is at school. Very good. How about this one? Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Very good. Where is she? She, what's our verb? Is at, where is she? The park. Yeah, she is at the park. She is at the park. She is at the park. Excellent. She is at the park. She park. She park. She at the park. Excellent. Very good. How about now? Where is she? Where is she? So she is at the, where is she? She is at the library. Excellent. So she is at the library. 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 Excellent. Very good. Practice that. Now, is it she? She? No, he. So where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Very good. He is, where is he at? Where is he? The museum. Very good. He is at the museum. 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 He museum. He museum. Excellent. Very good. How about now? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Practice. Where is he? He is at, very good. Where is he? At work. Excellent. He is at work. He is at work. He is at work. He is work. He is at work. Excellent. He work. He excellent. Good job. Very good. So where are you? We say I am at work, right? I am at work. Where is she? She is at work. And where is he? He is at work. Very good. How about them? How do we ask about three people? We say, where are, how do we say them? We say, where are they? 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 Very good. Where are they? Where are they? How do we answer? We say, they, our verb, they is, no, right? They is no. They are at work. Excellent. They are at work. They are at work. They are at work. They work. Excellent. They are at work. How about now? Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? So we say, they is, no, they are at the museum. Yeah, they are at the museum. 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 Very good. Let's practice. They are at the museum. They are at the museum. They are at the museum. Excellent. Very good. Practice. They are at the museum. They are at the museum. It's a long sentence. Good job, everyone. Very good. How about now? Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? They are at the museum? No. They are at the school? No. They are at the park. Very good. They are at the park. Excellent. They are at the park. They are at the park. They are at the park. They are at the they park. They park. They Park. Excellent. Good job. And this one, where are they? Where are they? Where are they? They are at the library. 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 Where are they? They are at the library. 3 sounds. Don't lose the sounds in library. They are at the 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 library. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. Good job, everyone. Very good. So what did we learn today? We learned work. Very good. Work. We learned school. School. Yeah, we learned park. Park. We learned library. 3 sounds. Library. Library. Yeah, library. And we learned museum. 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 5 new words. And today we use the word where with the verb to be. So where are you? I am at work. Where is she? She is at work. Where is he? He is at work. Where are they? They are at work. So where are you right now? Tell me below in a sentence. So I am and where you are. Good job, everyone. Keep practicing.
Hello, my English groupies, and thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button below. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. I am Angela, and I want to thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next class.